Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two SEO tools platform, which is Ahrefs and Semrush. So to get started with the H2A comparison about the two SEO platform. So to get started, in 2025, Ahrefs in 2025 remains a favorite for SEO professionals who want to unmatch backlink intelligence and keep keyword data. Its massive link index, detailed competitors insight, content gap analysis, and accurate ranking tracking make it a powerhouse for building long-term SEO strategies. Many agencies and content teams rely on the Ahrefs because of its precision, speed, and focus on core SEO metrics that drive the organic growth. Semrush, on the other hand, offer a broader digital marketing toolkit alongside excellent keyword research in addition to SEO features like site audit, keyword tracking, and backlink analysis. It also includes tools for PPC management, social media tracking, and content marketing campaign. This makes Semrush ideal for marketers who want one platform to handle multiple channels and integrate strategy. And here's the very conclusion in 2025. So you choose Ahrefs if you want the most focused, data-rich SEO solution, or go with Semrush if you prefer all-in-one marketing suite that blend top-tier SEO tools with extra for PPC and social growth. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.